How to upload pants to Roblox. Basically, all we have to do is go to the main page of Roblox, roblox.com, and here we want to click on the third option that says create. Okay, so from here, all we have to do, we will be taken to our creator dashboard. So all we have to do is click on avatar items. You should be able to see the option for pants right here. So basically just click on the third option next to shirts, pants, and then all we have to do is click on upload asset. Now make sure you pay attention to the format as well as the maximum size and the number of files you can upload. So after we click on that, here if we press upload again, you will be able to select the image for your pants. Then here's where you write the name and the description. So after you have done everything, all you have to do is click on upload, but as you can see, this says Robux required. So yeah, it will tax you, or it will cost you some Robux to upload these pants. So I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.